Really grateful to be here in Chicago with all my friends and to enjoy and to discover this new culture that I don't know.
You can visit so many different things, there are so many different cultures.
We're going to meet some professionals in companies, some companies are coming to meet us, so we're making a lot of network, which is really interesting for our future.
So it's really great to have an insight of all those different people in one same city.
The most interesting part is being on the field. Really try to see yourself into these professionals, because that's the type of jobs we are going to do in the future.
During the Black Rose game, I wanted to try the full experience. So during 2 hours, we're like having fun with our friends. We could like enjoy the ice skating park.
As sport business students, we also watch everything that is done on the side. So
They're having great activations for sponsors. Everything around the game is really great in terms of fan experience.
So it's interesting also to have this experience to look around what's happening and how the fan is interacting with the venue.
So honestly, when I entered, I was super impressed.
The Shamrock Shuffle is one of the most biggest marathons in Chicago. There's about 20,000 runners.
Everything is green, everything is positive. There was an amazing weather also, so people were happy for being here.
So as volunteers, we volunteered for 3 days. So 2 days of preparation, and on Sunday that was the race.
It was maybe the best experience I had so far in my sport business career.
I would say one word to describe this experience, mind-blowing.